I've broken everything on this truck. Everything.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. So you have to actually come in through the back to open it.
I've broken everything on this truck. Everything.
Everything's broken.
What's this? What's this?
Yeah.
Everything's gone.
Man.
I don't even bother with it.
So these are like 5,000 RMS?
These are actually 9 on the website. So
wow.
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
I'm thinking, yeah, I was thinking they're probably closer to 6, but I don't know. I never asked.
Yeah.
I saw them, they were up for sale. One of my buddies had them. I said, give me.
She wants a hair tricker here, so.
Well, we can try.
Yeah.
Probably.
All right, man.
All right, now.
Nice to meet you.
Man.
Yes, sir.
I think so. When I was in it, he played it. He played the
You're good.
Every time.
Oh, yeah.
This little ditty here.
So first your name and what's in here?
My name is Anthony Daniels. TZ12K. Advanced electric 35 battery and 2 FI 412s, but they're 15s. When you say 412, people are like, those aren't 12s.
4.12.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you build this box?
Actually, a good friend of mine, his name is Matt Kimball. Shout out to Matt Kimball if you ever see this video, brother. I still have this box from 2017.
Wow.
I got kicked out of NSPL World Finals out of my class because the seats couldn't go up with that box.
Really?
I kept it all these years.
Wow.
Nobody would come and get it. My friends didn't want it.
Okay.
I had a great run in NSPL. I've been
Yeah.
champion every single year in some form or fashion.
What kind of SPL score did you get out of this?
This particular setup, I haven't SPL'd with it at all. I'm on the demo side now.
Got it.
My
Okay.
highest score is only a 55.5.
That's still pretty good.
That was all I could manage to put together. It's got a lot of versatility to it. I can play low or high. It doesn't seem to matter in this time. Okay. I want to put just the right song.
We got
She sounds good, man.
I got lucky. You're listening to Pure T Luck.
DJs.
Like I said, all I did was take the SPL subs and flip them upside down in a different box I've had for years. That's all I did.
I got 415s with double positive cubic case. You got like
You
this.
just need to practice, brother. It'll work.
I'm also on low power right now.
Well, if yours is in the Salt 8, let me know.
I need 2 of them.
I sold one. One's over there. But I got the other one.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go with the 2 down for sound.
This is at 1 ohm or half ohm? The 12.
This is at a half.
Wow, and 12,000 at half. Okay.
I like to play this song to annoy people in traffic.
good. Your door handles are breaking.
Door handles about had it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop